Hi everyone, in this video today I will be unboxing the Logitech BRIO 4K Pro webcam. And I got this webcam because sometimes I do video game streamings from games from the Nintendo 3DS and Nintendo Switch, as you previously may have seen in my channel. And the webcam I was using was not of very good quality, so it was pretty old, years old. So I got this new webcam so that I can continue doing those live streams, and it's 4K. However, Nintendo Switch and the 3DS, the Nintendo Switch especially is just 1080p, so probably I will not be doing 4K streaming. Probably I could, it depends. I need to check out if the computer can handle it, which pretty sure it will be able to, and also have a pretty good upload speed, so maybe I'll try to do that. But yeah, the picture quality of this webcam should be pretty much good. So here we have the box, a pretty simple box, so nothing special here, it's just a box, and I'm going to start unboxing it. So first I need to break these tapes that are on the sides. And then this one, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to be opening it, and we can see the webcam, and it's a bit huge, as you can see. So this is the webcam, and it uses a USB-C port on the back, and this is the stand, which I need to open. So with this we can mount it on the computer and adjust it, so pretty nice. Yeah, continuing here, we have the cables, and the first cable we see here is the USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A cable. It's what we are seeing here. And it's long, and it makes sense because the webcam usually goes on the top of the monitor, and the USB port goes to the connector, goes to the computer USB 3.0 port on the back. And if you're using a laptop, that's not a problem, but if you're using a desktop computer, you probably need a long cable, and so this is the cable that comes with it, and it goes attached here on the back, and the other side will go to the computer. So yeah. Alright, we have some documentation, and here we have what it seems to be like a carrying pouch, I think it is, to carry the webcam. Yep, so we can travel with our webcam here. So yeah, that's the content of the Logitech 4K BRIO Pro webcam. So we have the webcam here, we have the carrying pouch, we have the USB cable, and we have the documentation. And this concludes this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching this video.